Question 1. Who was the author of the book, Wonder That Was India? Correct answer is C. A.L. Basham. Question 2. The phrase, God's own country, is used to refer which Indian state? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 3. In which state the Hornbill Festival is celebrated? Correct answer is D. Nagaland. Question 4. The first digital village, Akodara in India is in the state of? Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Question 5. The Start Up India, Stand Up India campaign is associated with? Correct answer is D. Entrepreneurship. Question 6. The Kaziranga National Park is famous for? Correct answer is B. One-horn rhino. Question 7. NITI in NITI Aayog stands for? Correct answer is A. National Institution for Transforming India. Question 8. Which Indian city is being developed as India's AI city? Correct answer is D. Lucknow. Question 9. India's first women's bank is known as? Correct answer is C. Bhartiya Mahila Bank. Question 10. The minimum age for election to the Lok Sabha is? Correct answer is C. 25 years. Question 11. The Kargil operation was named as? Correct answer is B. Operation Vijay. Question 12. Which one is the first open defecation state in India? Correct answer is B. Sikkim. Question 13. Which of the following is a body that regulates the media in India? Correct answer is A. Press Council of India. Question 14. In India, the financial year runs from underscore to underscore. Correct answer is A. April 1 to March 31st. Question 15. Expand FSPA. Correct answer is B. Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Question 16. In which year, the Central Pollution Control Board established? Correct answer is D. 1974. Question 17. How many oil refineries are there in India? Correct answer is C. 23. Question 18. Which one of the following countries shares the longest land frontier with India? Correct answer is D. Bangladesh. Question 19. Who designed the national flag of independent India? Correct answer is D. Pingali Venkaya. Question 20. Under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, compulsory education to children is compulsory between the ages group of? Correct answer is C. 6 to 14. Question 21. Which island is renamed as Abdul Kalam Island? Correct answer is C. Vela Island. Question 22. When was the Indian national flag adopted? Correct answer is D. The 22nd of July 1947. Question 23. How many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President? Correct answer is B. 12. Question 24. Which was the first state to implement the Panchayati Raj system? Correct answer is D. Rajasthan. Question 25. Who is regarded as father of local self-government in India? Correct answer is B. Lord Ripon. Question 26. Which is the apex banking institution for providing finance for agriculture and rural development in India? Correct answer is D. NABARD. Question 27. Which city is also known as the City of Temples? Correct answer is D. Bhubaneswar. Question 28. The death anniversary day of Rajiv Gandhi is observed as? Correct answer is C. Anti-Terrorism Day. Question 29. Who is considered as the architect of Panchayati Raj in India? Correct answer is C. B. R. Mehta. Question 30. When was National Educational Council established? Correct answer is A. The 15th of August 1906. Question 31. Who among the following was the first finance minister of independent India? Correct answer is B. R. K. Shanmukham Chetty. Question 32. What is the height of the Nataraj statue that has been installed at Bharat Mandapam, the venue of the G20 summit in Delhi? Correct answer is B. 0.28 foot tall statue. Question 33. Right to vote in India is a. Correct answer is B. Constitutional right. Question 34. Give It Up campaign is related to which of the following? Correct answer is C. LPG subsidy. Question 35. The headquarters of the Tobacco Board is located in. Correct answer is C. Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Question 36. Which district in India is also known as Lake District of India? Correct answer is C. Nainital. Question 37. Which state earned the name of Fruit Bowl of the country? Correct answer is D. Himachal Pradesh. Question 38. The mobile app Bheem is based on. Correct answer is C. Unified Payment Interface. Question 39. As per 2011 census, literacy rate in India is. Correct answer is D. 74.04%. Question 40. GST was introduced as the Amendment Act. Correct answer is B. 101 Amendment. Question 41. The easternmost part of India is in. Correct answer is B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 42. Which one is not a central armed police force in India? Correct answer is B. National Security Guard. Question 43. National Book Week is celebrated in India every year on. Correct answer is C. November 14 to 20. Question 44. Which state has the highest number of international airports in India? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 45. Which city is also known by the nickname the Detroit of India? Correct answer is B. Chennai. Question 46. Which state of India is also known as the Orchid State of India? Correct answer is C. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 47. Which day is observed as National Girl Child Day? Correct answer is A. The 24th of January.